Another common problem we find usually when starting a tiller is either we have the on-off switch. I know it's just a basic thing, but if we forget it won't start, so we push it on to 1. And another thing is that the fuel inside the tank, which is this one, can be, if left for a long period of time, can become difficult to take a spark, which means either the motor will start and it will start sputtering and we usually switch off after a few seconds, or it won't start at all. This is usually when a fuel will have gone bad. This can be solved by either adding a stabilizer when we put the engine to storage, or remove all the fuel. We won't put any extra so that the fuel tank is empty. Usually we can do that by putting an exact dose that we're gonna use and let it run out with the engine on, so that the carburetor is clean and the fuel tank is clean. So another thing, if we filled it up, these are things which we cannot calculate fuel to the exact amount we're gonna use. So we can empty it through a pipe. Usually this is a small pipe which goes into the carburetor. You can find it either below the tank, which we're gonna show you soon, or you can find it under the tank or next to the carburetor going in this pipe. Let me show you how. Here we have the tank, and there's a pipe passing through, this one which I'm shining a light through. It has a clip at the end. I'm gonna try to show you this one below, and it passes through the carburetor. This is a bit in a constructive way, so the easiest way out is to use the drain of the carburetor. The drain is here, we just open it, and what little fuel there is, it will drain out. Usually you'll put a cup down here, so you'll fill it up slowly. It's easy as that. Other models I'm gonna show you soon. This is the fuel tank, we can see the cap on top, and are easy, a bit easier. You have the tap to close the fuel, and you just pull off this pipe. Open the tap and it will drain out. This is more in a comfy post, so we can reach it more easily. Hope this helps. If so, give us a thumbs up.